Why I think design matters at all is, largely as a result of my upbringing. My grandmother was a professional artist. My mother was a professional pianist. I was a professional dancer, grew up in theater.
Okay.
And I think that, what I saw was that our surroundings, whether it was being immersed in a theatrical experience or in a piece of music or in a piece of art, really can change our daily life experiences.
Hey, this is Jeff Martin again. If you go to leadbychange.com, you can see this show and other shows. If you subscribe, you can get early access to new shows and also exclusive content. Thanks for watching.